All of the cities where you work, including this Potgietersrus Rus, it is like apartheid. Let them show us a city that they've created from scratch. Claudia City to Lanseria and all of that, it will never happen. They've got no such capacity to do that. Why? They don't own the land between Midrand and Lanseria. They have to pay billions to buy that land in order to build a smart city between Midrand and Lanseria. They don't have that money. Yet they've got Expropriation Act, which gives them powers to expropriate that act and use it for the people of South Africa. They will never use it. Why? In that 20 billion worth of land, they've got shares. Why would they expropriate it?